guys, it's me, CVLLEETV. You is watching. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and link blah 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 blah. Today, you know what I'm talking about. Let's get this started. So this is just the strong glue that I ordered from Amazon. It was really cheap. It was like about $20. And this is the glass that I need for the glue. Sorry about the dirtiness. And those are scissors that you need if you need to trim your eyelash. And that's the eyelash that I be using. It's called Bea. I got it from Amazon. As you can tell, I've already used the 13 millimeters. So these are my favorite. No, those are not my favorite tweezers. Those are really dangerous and I don't really like them. I like these ones better just because they can, like, you can grab the eyelashes better, and like, I don't know, I just find them really cool and nice. You can get them at Shoppers. Anyways, you can get that glass from Amazon and that glue. You can also get like an eyelash kit, which made my life so much easier. Anyways, I'm just pouring the glue into the glass just because you need a dot worth of glue for your eyelashes, obviously, so you can stick them up. Those are my favorite tweezers that I'm going to be using throughout the whole entire video, so keep in tune. And those are the lashes. Obviously, I'm going to be using the 12 millimeters because I finished my 14. Alright, so I just realized the brightness is so much better here, but go ahead and grab your eyelid all the way up so you don't get glue in it. Just like that. Alright, so I'm just grabbing my lash, which is the 12 millimeter, and trying to dip it in the glue. Once you dip it, make sure you wipe it off. And then, as I said, you just grab your eyelid all the way up so it doesn't go into your eye. The glue kind of like burns too. So I'm just looking down because I want it to dry, whatever. I'm grabbing my other lash. You guys might see this one clearer, and dipping into the glue, and boom, again. And that's how I attach the lashes into my eyelid there. Oh my god, I did it, you guys. I did it. Oh my god, my eyelashes are burning. It's burning because once your like eyelid feels a lot of like gluing or whatever, because it's so strong that it would make you cry. So that's why you gotta make sure you lift your eyelids like crazy, like that, right here, like that. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below, and